Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of the introduction series to Blender and 3D. Today we will learn about different modes and tools used for 3D modeling. There are 3 basic modes in Blender: Object Mode, Edit Mode, and Sculpt Mode. All 3 have their own purposes. In Object Mode, you can see the object in solid form. In Edit Mode, you can edit it using different tools. And in Sculpting Mode, you can sculpt an object using Sculpt tools. We will learn about Edit Mode. In Edit Mode, you have different tools like for moving, rotating, scaling, extruding, and much more. There are specific keys for these tools, and you can also see them on the right side of the screen. We will learn about it in later chapters. Let's move toward an object. Properties: you can edit an object either by vertices, edges, or faces. The keywords for edge is 1, for vertex is 2, and for face is 3. If this is difficult remembering, then you can simply select them from the top right of the screen. Now let's talk about an axis. When you want to model something in 3D, it will not be in one axis or two, it will consist of 3 axes. You can see different axes on top, left side of the screen. You can select an axis by simply clicking on it on top left side of screen. Now let's move to sculpting mode. You can simply go to sculpting mode from top of the screen, or by going to Mode tab. Sculpting mode is used for sculpting an object. It also has different tools, like for smoothing an object, etc. We will learn about Edit Mode first, then we will move to Sculpting Mode. This is it for today. We will meet in the next chapter tomorrow. Bye for now, and make sure to support me. I appreciate your support.